I'm not in competition with nobody. I will not compete. My name is Coach Keon Corniff. I'm a financial educator and business coach. One of the things as a business coach and a leader in this firm is that I provide a space where everybody knows that we don't compete. Why compete? Competition means that you're going to create a loser. I'm not here to compete. I'm here to look for who complements me. See, complements me mean that who could be a great collaboration. It's about partnership. See, once everybody understands the importance of group economics, then you'll understand that we're not here to compete with each other. We're here to work with each other. We're not here to beat each other. We're here to win with each other. You see, competition separates what we call the weak from the strong. But not because you might be strong in a particular area doesn't mean that that person is weak in every area. But through collaboration, everybody focus on their strength. And you collaborate with people where you're weak at so that way you can get stronger with what they're strong at. So I don't look for people to compete with. I look for people that complements me. Because complements means that we could collaborate. Collaboration is partnership. So in life, I seek a lot more partnership than competition. That's why this quote says, competition happens at the bottom. The people at the top, we're collaborating. So do you have a wealthy mindset? Or are you still stuck in a poverty mindset? So when you see people out there competing to be the best, they don't understand what it's all about. I'm not in this industry to be the best. My job is to help people become the best. I'm here to be the king maker and the queen maker. That's what I'm here to do. That's why I always tell people, I do unto you as I want God to continue doing unto me. Because sometimes you can't do unto me what I could do unto you. Sometimes I might be the blessing, or sometimes you may be the blessing. And that's why we're here to complement each other. Partnership, group economics. Keep winning.